My jalapenos from the backyard, and some are bright green and some have ripened, but I'm going to use all of them in my jalapeno pickle, which is I'm going to store them for a long time. So I'm going to wash them. They're fresh, organic, and make sure they're dry. Remove the stalks. You can use knife or you can just remove the stalks with your hands, and then slice them. So when you slice them, you can use it on the pizza, in sandwiches, and if I want to add it to the salad, then I chop them again, but once they have been pickled. And this is the size I've kept. Wear your gloves because the heat will catch your hand, so I'm going to pay for this. So the ripe ones, what I do is, as far as they are firm, I use them. If they're not firm, then I'll use that for regular cooking. So these are chopped very finely, and I have more ripened one. I've taken one glass jar and put these jalapenos in the glass jar, and now we are going to pickle them in a solution. So that is made up of 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and allow it to boil. I add cumin seeds. They're optional. You can also add 2-3 cloves of garlic. That gives good flavor. But you can add some salt and sugar and boil it. It's very easy. It doesn't take much time. So this is now boiled. So now I'm going to add it straight to the bottle. Make sure you take a thick glass bottle. And it will change the color of the jalapenos. It will become a different green color. So this is done. I keep it outside for a few hours and then put it in the refrigerator, and you can save it for a long time. Use it on pizza toppings, sandwiches, salad, whatever you want. They're tasty and just spicy and just right. Thank you for watching and have a great day.